So I pulls up to do a delivery, and it's just some dirt.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We heading out for a little Doordash evening shift. First order they sent me, check it out. 225, 9 miles away. Can't rock with that. Listen, welcome or welcome back. I'm your boy, the Dashing Trader. On this channel, we help you maximize with the gig apps in the gig economy. Today, we doing some DoorDash and some Uber Eats, and this is the first thing they sent me. I can't take a gamble going 9 miles away. And I choose not to take no tip offer. So we're gonna let that one sit right over there.
Really, nigga?
But I did get my first DoorDash order that was acceptable. It's right here, 425, 1 mile away. That is something that I can work with. All right, guys, we made it to McDonald's. Getting ready to head up in there now and grab this order. $4 for 1 mile. Little bit on the lower side as far as money go, but that's okay. We getting our shift started. And guess what? I got my next order already. $5.61, 3.4 miles on Uber Eats. And the best part is, this is at Hawaiian Bros. It's literally right there. So I'm finna go grab that order, grab this order, and we finna get both of them delivered. Now, this is how you make money in the gig economy when it comes to food delivery. You want a multi-app, try to stack you a couple orders going in the same direction. So boom, now we making money. Let's go grab both of these orders. I did this order right here, $7.83 for 4 miles at 54th Street. And I like this order because it's a curbside pickup order. And that means all you have to do is pull up. Sometimes they come right out and ask you what order you got. Or sometimes you just have to call the little number they got on the sign right there. You check in with them, let them know which order you got. And that's exactly what we did. They brung that order out. I delivered it. Miles to money ratio is okay. Usually on a $4 order, I like to see like $8.50, $9, but it is what it is. I'll take that. Next up, they sent me this order right here, $3.25 for 1 mile at Wingstop. That could be a no tip offer, so I just let that one go. Ain't no point in taking any chances. It's dinner time, lots of orders out here. I'm over 50%, so I'm seeing diamonds on DoorDash. Uber Eats sending me pizza orders, so it ain't no need to take really low offers like that, at least not for me. If that's something you do, all the power to you. But we like to maximize and get at least 3 to 4 orders done per hour. And if you can, have them make between somewhere in $6 and $10. Now, if you can get something higher than that, all the better. But we want to aim for realistic goals. So I try to aim for about $6 to $10 per order, try to get 3 or 4 done per hour. And I'm usually able to hit 25, 30 per hour that way. Well, our next order, is falling a little bit out of those parameters, but it's a pizza order. It's like in a slightly different category, but it's still almost fit the parameters. We got $5.75 for 2.7 miles. I mean, honestly, on face value, it's a great offer. And there's a chance for a cash tip. Now, we don't bank on those, but when we get them, it's always nice. And then on top of it, I just got another offer on Uber Eats, $10, 2 miles at Arby's, and Arby's is right across the street. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and check in real quick for this DoorDash order, see if they got it ready, and then once we grab that, we could either shoot across the street and grab the Arby's order, or we could just deliver this 2 miles away real quick and then come back for the Arby's order. The choice is really ours, but the name of the game is keep the wheels rolling, keep your order in the queue.
I think, what is
The customer requested you leave the order at their door.
So I pulls up to do a delivery, and it's just some dirt. How cool is that? That's awesome. Let's get this delivery done.
My name is Ozzy. What can I get started for you today?
Picking up a Uber Eats order for Eric.
I'm sorry, what was that?
Man, stop playing with me. What?
All right, we're gonna try this again. So we got that Pizza Hut order dropped off, and I did shoot across the street, grab that Arby's order, knocked that one out too. And the next order that came in was a Dairy Queen order. They actually sent me this one while I was dropping off the Arby's order. You know how Uber Eats like to send you an order and make you almost crash the car? Yeah, they sent me a Dairy Queen order, $10, 2 miles, had to grab that. So we got that picked up now, but then boom. I got sent this CVS order, shop and deliver, 1 item, 3 miles. It's only $5, but it's enough. It now only need 2 more shop and delivers after this, guys. And this what I'm tripping off of. The $5, not a lot. I like my miles to money ratio to be a little bit higher when I'm doing 3-mile deliveries. You know, I want to see $6, $7. But I'm doing this to hit my goals. Let's go on up in here, shop for this one item at CVS, and then we finna keep on. It look like they just got some Pepto-Bismol. Oh yeah, we finna get that real quick. We actually can do this in real time, guys. We finna slide up in here, grab this one item, and then we finna keep it moving because I need to get that dash now. I need that dash now so that I can dash anytime I want to. I ain't got to worry about scheduling. That's what I'm doing now. I'm sitting up and scheduling my dashes so that I can make sure I get a spot. I don't want to have to do that. So what we're going to do is we're going to knock out these shopping delivers. That way we can put ourselves in the best position to maximize. Pepto-Bismol.
All 17.
17?
Left hand side.
Alrighty. I'm talking about. I ain't wasting no time. Let me see. Somebody got an upset stomach, so we gotta hook them up. We gotta hook them up. Let's see which one they want. Is it that one? Nope. We got Pepto-Bismol Ultra 8 ounces. That's gotta be it right there. Boom. Let's go ahead and scan that. Come on. There we go. Boom. What are we looking at? A minute and a half? That's perfect. Minute and a half in the store. Went to the perfect location. Exactly to the right location. Now we just gotta get the self-checkout and get it paid for. Let's go.
Welcome. If you have your extra care card, please place your item in the bag.
Oh, I will place my item right there. Finish
Scan
and
coupon
pay.
now. Touch the continue button if finished.
Proceed to checkout. Don't use self-checkout. No problem.
Scan coupon now. Touch the continue button if finished.
I think I might have just broke the machine in CVS because I'm so fast. My bad. Oh, you hear them crickets chirping? Yeah, man. So we sitting at $15 for this Doordash shift. Wait, let me check and double check that. So for this Doordash, nope, $20. I got $15 on the previous dash, $15.25, $5.25 here. That brings us to $20.50, and then another $20 and some change on Uber Eats. So sitting at $40. First 2 hours down for this Doordash dinner. Obviously would like to make a little bit more, but I got to get my completion rate up because now that I'm right back in and got reactivated, you know, I'm not getting the greatest offers in my area. A lot of offers that I was seeing, they was going really, really far, and I had to turn quite a few of them down. First one of the offers that I had to turn down, check this out. So this offer was just ridiculous amount of miles. Couldn't do it. Had to go ahead, turn it down. Nope, here we go. $12.97 for 12 miles. Even 12 miles even on that one. So, you know, I'm not finna take that. It's dinner time. I need something a little bit better. And that lets me know right there that if I would have a better completion rate on Uber Eats, I would be seeing better offers. Again, $11, 14 miles, just not a good miles to money ratio, especially when you're trying to, you know, actually make some money, stay within a little bubble, work around a couple merchants, you know, maybe go a couple miles away, but at the most 5, just so you can still be within range to receive offers. Now, I know sometimes they may send you to an area and it may be orders in that area, but I look at that as a gamble unless you for sure have worked that market they send you to. May not always be a good idea to take that chance. So I'd rather just make my $20 per hour, stand in my little bubble right here, working my little zone, and getting this down packed when it comes to the food delivery, because $20 an hour still ain't bad. We haven't driven a whole bunch of miles and we haven't had to decline a whole bunch of orders. So that doesn't really help the acceptance rate because we did decline a few, but it definitely helps the completion rate by getting those orders done quickly, back to back if possible, letting them know that yes, I'm gonna accept the order. I may not accept every single order, but the ones I do, I'll complete.